In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to complete Elon University's online purchase requisition form. On the purchasing website, you'll navigate to the purchase request page from the sidebar. Begin by clicking the link that says "Click here to create a new purchase request." After entering your Elon email address into the Office 365 login page, you'll be redirected to an Elon login page where you can enter your email and password. It is important to note that there is a 30-minute time limit on this form. If you don't complete or submit your form within 30 minutes, all of the information you have entered will be lost. In the Deliver To box, enter the person whom the product or service is being delivered to. Click on the People Picker icon to confirm the recipient. Then enter the required date of delivery, budget year, and budget manager in their corresponding boxes. In the vendor information section, you will enter the vendor's name, address, and phone number. You should have this information on the quote from the vendor. Be sure to enter the fax number or email address so that the final purchase order can be submitted to the vendor. Under item information, enter information about your order's line items. First, select the number of line items. You can select up to 15. For each line item, you will enter the quantity, part number, description, and unit price. Line item description is not limited to the length of the field on the screen. The field will word wrap. The total or extended price for each line will be calculated automatically. If you have more than 15 line items, write "See attached," along with a brief description of what the items are in the Line 1 description box, and attach a quote listing every line item. Elon does not include sales tax on purchase orders, so do not enter sales tax, even if it appears on the vendor's quote. Next, enter any discounts, labor and installation charges, and shipping charges in their respective boxes. The form does not support percentage discounts, so you will need to calculate the dollar amount of any discounts. You can use these checkboxes to choose whether the form will be sent to the vendor via fax or email. There is also a Do Not Send option, in case the purchasing department should not send your PO to the vendor. Check Yes or No in the boxes under Are you purchasing any technology? And Are any funds being used in this purchase from external grant funds? Next, you will enter the 12-digit budget code. There is a checkbox available if the purchase will be split between multiple budget codes. You can enter up to 5 different budget codes, listing the dollar value to be allocated for each. A red box will appear around the budget code total until the dollar amount there matches the total from the line items entered earlier. You do not need to type dashes, they will be added automatically. Click the Attachments button to attach supporting documentation, such as quotes, invoices, or emails. The file name must not contain spaces or any of the other special characters listed here, but you can separate words with an underscore. If the file name does contain any spaces or any of these special characters, a small red box will appear to the right of the file name when you attach it. If you are purchasing from an online vendor, you can create a shopping basket with your items, save that as a PDF file, and attach that file here. The red X next to the file name does not indicate a problem, but clicking it will remove the attached file. Any information entered into the Printed Comments on PO box will be printed on the PO that goes to the vendor. We are limited to only 4 lines of text on the face of the PO. The non-printed comments box is for comments for others in your approval chain and will not appear on the final PO. There is a Save button at the bottom of the form in case you will not finish within the 30-minute time limit. Clicking the Save button will email you a link to finish working on the PO later. Once you have entered all of the required information, check the box saying "This request is ready to be sent for approval," after which the button will change from Save to Submit. Once you click Submit, your form will be sent to your budget manager listed above for approval.